Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets for Unreal Engine 5. Clean meshes, freeze transforms, and consolidate textures. Export FBX for geometry and animations, and PNG or TGA for textures. Make sure export units match Ue5. Once done, verify material naming conventions and save source files next to exports. You should enable Nanite for high poly meshes and bake normal maps where necessary. This step reduces surprises later and speeds import, so don't skip consistent scale and axis orientation. Next, import into Ue5 using the content browser and review import settings for each file. For meshes, enable Nanite if appropriate and generate LODs. For FBX animations, set skeletons and retargeting options. Rebuild materials by linking base color, roughness, metallic, and normal maps. Adjust compression and sRGB where applicable. Once materials compile, apply them to meshes and validate lighting with a quick build. This middle phase ties file data to engine systems, which is why careful settings matter. Finally, place assets into a test level and validate collisions, physics, and animations under live lighting. Run a lighting build and look for shader errors, texture tiling issues, or seams. Fix material parameters or UVs as needed. Once happy, organize folders and create asset references in your game modules. If something breaks, re-import the problematic FBX with corrected scale or axis, rebuild normals or tangent space, and clear the derived data cache. This often resolves stubborn import artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.